tested from your end also, just to make sure that there's no problem while installing. And at that time also you have to, like, sometime during the shipment, something can happen during the shipment, like exporting to you, while shipping to you, that valve can be damaged or something can be damaged that can cause the leakage. So once you receive the product, I would like you to retest it, inspect it using the soap water to the every joint actually. Even to the bolt area, to the valve joint, to the port, to the gauge area. Basically from the gauge you can see the leakage from the back side. That can happen. Not the common thing, but it can happen. Yes. This is the protection cap. While shipping, we just make sure that there's nothing happens to this. If anything happens, leakage can happen. So that's why we have a protection cap for the gauge area. And this will be our discharge port. It all comes with the pros. This is the discharge port. Once you receive the discharge port, if it fits, the piston will goes up. You cannot see inside. There will be a wall open. Right now you can see the opening, right? But if you receive the cylinder, filled cylinder, there will be no opening. The piston will goes up. So basically that shows that piston is locked. Okay. This port I will not open right now. I just want to tell you, this will be the last part, because this is what going to actuate our cylinder. So this is for the safety purpose. Do not open it until all the port is being installed. Okay. Now let's start with this.
So maybe once you deliver this one, this already delivered, right? It's already delivered. Once we deliver this ship from the factory, these components and everything.
Yeah, it's already fixed. Yeah,
So only this.
You have to only use the ports for the installation.
you get a filled cylinder with pressurized. Don't have to do anything. You just have to fix it.
But make sure before installing this, you have to Teflon. Yes. Okay. The arrow should be pointed upside. Once that's done,
You can use spanner. Tighten it. It's a NPD thread, na? So use spanner.
see, okay.
Again, we also have to do it.
As much detail as you can in your pipeline description next day.
Okay. Then you're going to use this spanner to properly tighten. But make sure that here also there will be Teflon. Yes.
But
Here we will not use, because this is a male and this will be the female connector. It will automatically lock.
But you can use spanner. So you get
this can be reversed or no?
No.
Oh yeah, because that's female.
That's a fixed.
male.
That's a fixed.
This
This is a
female.
swell.
Yeah.
This will.
Install this one and then spanner it. Once this is secured, you will move to these ports. So the first port we are going to use is this one first. Low pressure switch.
Come up with detail. Maybe someone is
Yeah, sure.
looking out for details. The details are missing, then everyone will ask the question.
So before fixing this, you have to fix it.
And will there be a commercial
No.
You need to provide those all of it, right? If you have that clarity, then obviously people will not ask you. And then the project, that is someone for your
People also require.
that is
Yeah, वो दे देना. Screw panel दे. Screw panel. Screw panel दे.
Okay.
Ganito ata pa rin in-order ko dun sa demo unit natin. Kay Ma'am Joanne.
Cylinder lang.
Ah, hindi isang set niyan. In-order ko.
May laman yan.
Walang laman. Wala siyang laman. Yung ma'am, presentation sa kwan. Dalawang cylinder. Si Ma'am Joanne ang nagbigay ng kwan eh.
tagal na yun eh.
Ng quote. Pero piniwan na yun ni kwan purchasing namin.
Para sa ano namin
Showroom. Nakaganito rin siya ma'am, na setup.
Jonathan, we will not do out here if you're not confident yet. We will just do if you're confident in this story.
Master kit. Para going to the street. Yes. This operator head will be connected to all the slave. You can use this one.
Explain all these accessories to them.
Okay, sa init. Mainit. Oo, mainit nga.
Kala namin dun sa may double A. Kala namin sa double A.
Kala ko din dun eh. Dito pala sa dulo.
Tambay.
Papasok kami tuloy dun.
Sumambay kami doon sa pinakagilid.
Yung sabi ko sa inyo. Saan yung lotus? Yung malapit lang sa bangwa?
Diyan lang.
Galing ma'am sa double A papunta na. Tanggal na.
So right now,
Kailangan pala matanggal ka dyan.
mas maganda yung 1.6.
This one is the master adapter kit, but before installing this one, you have to make sure you put the Teflon. Yes.
Pitsa, no?
But let me tell you first, now, these adapter kit will only be used if we have a secondary cylinder or the slave cylinder.
So single cylinder don't remove it, huh? So single cylinder if you remove it, all the gases will get released.
Okay.
Fine, fine. So now down doesn't matter.
This one. The another end, if you have only single slave cylinder, right, you're going to use the elbow. But if you have two slave cylinders, then we're going to change it with the T. And each actuation port should have a pressure operator head being installed, and this swivel should be hand tightened, same like we install the electrical commutator. So basically, suppose this is the secondary switch. Suppose, just for example, I'm telling you. What we're going to do is open the slave cylinder port. We're going to install this pressure operator head first. Should be hand tightened. Once this is installed, make sure to install elbow or T according to your slave cylinder's number. And Teflon should be put on the thread. You can. You better.
But they are not doing many much before. So why since we also understand the constitution and help Honeywell to find out a good partner.
Yes. And the actuation hose from the master cylinder will go to the slave elbow. And it will be tightened here. After you hand tighten it, you have to use the spanner to properly tighten it. This is how it's going to be.
ये ऐसा नहीं आएगा, नीचे से आएगा.
It will be connected to the other side.
Yes. If we have only single elbow, if we have
No
two,
need for this.
which one?
No need for
वो भी टी भी निकालना, टी का भी लगा देना.
single cylinder.
For the single cylinder, you do not need.
For 2 cylinders,
We're going to use the pressure
this
operator.
elbows is for the last cylinder, in the bank. So show them the T also. है ना, वो तो इजी रहेगा, तो वो लगा देगा.
So if you have two sleeves, then you have to use this one. Now suppose you have installed the T to the first slave cylinder and you need to connect it to the secondary. So you're going to need an actuation hose, another one, and that's connected to this port and goes to the secondary slave cylinder using the pressure operator. Okay, na sir? Okay.
अभी एक्चुएटर का दिखा देना, अभी पिन निकाल दिया ना, तो मैनुअल ऑपरेशन भी लॉक को दिखा.
I think they are already doing competition. It's saying like they are very, relying on after 1 year, similarly they are asking for other separation and they don't want to change.
Very simple. But this will be specialized. Then it's very risky. So take care. This cap should be always fixed. The safety cap. Only when you're using fixing the actuator, that time only you should be using. Right? Now during the actuator after this. If you press the First, what you do, you first test it. Remove the pin. Remove the pin. Remove this pin. Now you press it.
Okay, you can see the pin is comes out. So basically what happens, sometimes people do not understand and they just installed it. And in the pressure, yes, as you can see there is a pin inside in this port. This will push the pin and actuate the cylinder. So this is a very important part and that's why we installed it in the last.
That's why you're using pin now.
We use all the port to connect the hose. In the last we only going to use this switch. On this extent, we have to make sure that this is in the reset position. You can hold it in your hand and rotate it to the arrow. You can see there is an arrow also. You can match the arrow. This means it's locked. And you can install it. And it should be hand tightened.
For manual operation.
If
No
you
gas,
need,
no gas.
if you want to like manually operate, like suppose your electrical panel is not working or something happens, then you can manually come and press it, and this will discharge all the cylinders if there's any connected cylinder.
So how will you do the commissioning?
Yes.
You will fix this and then you'll show them? How are you going to show them? While doing
Using,
commissioning?
I think we will use nitrogen plus.
No, so you can keep this outside. Theoretically you fix it and then to panel you can operate it and manual also. Manual you don't break.
For the simulation test.
See you don't break. Manual you don't show. Only
We'll just show
electrical.
the pin inside the...
Yeah.
Just show
So just
the
keep
pin
it,
is
keep it
going
outside
out.
and say the pin is working.
Yeah.
Huh?
Because once you connect it here, it will discharge.
Yes.
This has happened.
Yeah.
Actually, when we going
a lot of things happen like
when you have to show electrical demo also, you just need to take this out and connect it to controller and show them.
Manually shouldn't show them because the seal is there. Na? See, why you're putting this seal? See, what people do, na, they break the seal and they operate it. But then they want to hide it. The system got operated automatically. Malfunction. So when the seal is there, we can say that the seal is broken. So you have operated manually.
So in short, do not put it before you commission it. So once they accept it, that's the time only that you have placed the actuator.
Commissioning, you keep it outside and that show them
them
that
sign,
the
yeah.
system is, the actuator is operates.
Yeah. Else if there will be accidental discharge, they say manually they push it.
Push it, yes,
Then it
yes,
will
yes.
discharge everything.
If they want to show, they'll ask you for the manual operation. You say, we can't show it because it's sale.
But
And
it's
even if they want to
possible,
seal, huh?
It's possible also here, right? Just remove it and then you can press. Remove
No.
it.
There's a seal over here. No, that's
Yeah.
We have broken it. You have to break the seal, then you do with the pin. See, now pin is not there. Now you're
We
asking
put the
questions
pin
about
inside,
manual.
na?
Ganyan ba dahil
No
sa
pin
bird?
is not
Kasama
Now
sa
you can
in-order?
press.
Alin?
Ganyan.
Isang set yun.
It won't
Pati
get,
yan ang mga...
automated.
Si Leo yung pinakuhan ko ng mga accessories eh. Tapos pinacheck ko kay Ma'am Joanna. Kung ano pa yung kulang, dagdagan niya na lang.
See, the pin is there. The pin down there.
Meron yan, kompleto yan. Ang kun lang doon, walang laban yung cylinder natin. For kun lang naman, for
Sa converse kompleto naman.
That's why we lock the
Procedure
pin.
there during the preventive corrective maintenance.
sila yung naggumawa ng boom nun eh.
Remove the cord or remove from here. Then
Kasi yun,
that's the time
pag
that
nasira
remove it
yung
also.
exhaust,
Then correct it.
Yeah, remove the power.
yung panel, hindi gumana. Yung panel.
But do not remove the pin, just
So
to
meaning
make sure
this
don't.
one, if no power, the pin will not be discharged.
No, it will not.
So once there's a 24 volts automatically, that's the only time it will.
No power means if the signal is sent to the
Panel. Releasing panel.
Then it will work.
Yeah. No, because there's other actuators, it's a toggle type. Meaning toggle, you required power to make it